Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Shazam app not recognizing songs on iPhone. If you tap Shazam app but it won't detect the music, here's how to fix it. First, make sure you are in a place where music is clear and not downloaded drowned out by noise. Shazam struggles with background sounds. Next, check your internet connection. Shazam needs Wi-Fi or mobile data to identify songs. If it still does not work, open Shazam app, and then what you're gonna do is go to settings and then go to microphone and then click on the automatic option. Next, go to your phone settings and then make sure microphone permissions are turned off by searching Shazam app and see if microphone option is turned on. And yeah, that is it. Go to microphone and see if you guys have given permission to the Shazam app on microphone. If you have not, you should do it. Safety tip: only download Shazam from the official app store. Fake versions can ask for extra permissions and put your privacy at risk. If nothing works, delete Shazam, restart your iPhone and reinstall the latest versions from the app store. Subscribe for more quick fixes.